So hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, I'm going to review out the project. Before, this video is not for any financial advices and I am not a financial advisor, so let's start. Alright, in this video, I will discuss about this project, that its potential or not, like everything. Hope you guys give me your valuable times. Now as you can see the website interface in my screen now, and the project name is Lynaro. So what is Lynaro? Like as you can see, like they are aimed to make cryptocurrency investing more accessible by simplifying the complexation involved. Their goal is to provide investors of all levels with the chances to benefit from the potential of this dynamic market. So this is their aims in Lynaro, and guys, they have real utilities like stacking, NFTs and many more, which is really amazing. Like you can see the option of the meet and learn more about this project, so you can learn more about this. Now let's go scroll and know more about it. Now why Lynaro? Also guys, you can see something about their partners, like they have rich partners, as you can see, which is really amazing. Now why Lynaro? Lynaro is empowering the like-minded individuals to push the boundaries of what's possible by unlocking the opportunities for their collectivities investments. So why us? Like why they? Because you are not just investing in a project, you are investing in a community. Join them and be a part of something bigger where innovation and growth never stop. So this is why Lynaro is potential. That's the main reason. Also guys, learn more about Lynaro, like their non-fungible tokens, NFTs and LYM tokens, right, called community-driven governance investment. Join them. So you will get their white paper, PDF, and their light paper. You must read their white paper. Obviously, I will read their white paper and light paper. Also guys, at the last, you will get their unified token in planning, also various wagers and explorations. There are something about the socials like Telegram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Media, and YouTube. Now, let's read their white paper, and you must read their white paper because you will get all information about this project, guys. And as you can see something about this project, like the introduction, their how's their product will work in as obviously, and why is this project is very potential for crypto investors. So this is really amazing, and you will get every information here. Also guys, as you can see the light paper, which is also amazing, and you will get their LY and tokenomics, like their rewards and liquidity, DAO, treasury team, their development, many more. Also you can see the constitution, so you can check it out by yourself. Now guys, their sale is special sale which is starting on Gymbat, like as you can see, and their sale will start after 5 days, and their soft cap or hard cap, as you can see, the minimum maximum buy which is 2000 USDC, and their minimum buy which is 50 USDC. So their soft cap which is 8300 USDC, which is really amazing, and they have audit and KYC by Gymbat. And you will get something about investment. They have a airdrop for investors, like as you can see. So you can see their tokenomics, their token for sale, their soft cap, their hard cap. Oh, I see. Their soft cap which is $2,500, and their hard cap which is $8,300. So this is really amazing that their presale is being high. They are first wasting release, wasting delay, wasting time period, and many more. You can see here everything. So this is really amazing, and I think this project is really amazing. Now guys, let's check it out, their X profile. So guys, as you can see, they have already a huge followers on their Twitter, like 10,600 followers. As I look at the project, this is really amazing, and they are really active, and they are doing well marketing. Like as you can see, this is really amazing that their team which is worked behind this project. That's why I'm really interested in this project to invest in. So this is really amazing. Now let's talk about investments. Guys, they have real utilities like non-fungible tokens, and they say just clearly this project is made for investors, because how they will generate passive income from staking or by holding NFTs, and like you will get potentials from their products and etc. and they are doing well marketing, so I'll put a bullish in this project, expect it have extremely nice after. So that's it about this project. For more information, you can join their Telegram community, and please subscribe this YouTube channel for more crypto project.